Guys, Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're in a shower in a Flagstaff travel trailer. Now this feature will be the same as what you see on the Rockwoods out there. What this is a water saving feature, and I've already set this thing up a little bit. The way it'll look whenever we start, it'll be like this. Now the idea behind this is while I'm waiting for my hot water to get up to temperature, instead of just running that water out, especially if I'm dry camping trying to save water, we'll see it blue like this. But once it starts to get to temperature, we'll see it start to change to this whitish tint. So I'll flip this valve back to the down position, and I've got hot steamy water coming right out of there, which is awesome. So it's functioning properly, and now I can go ahead and take my nice hot shower right off of that, and then I can just flip that lever, and then I can, once I got my hair wet, I can get my shampoo in, stuff like that. The great thing with this is, where's that water going? It's actually going back into the freshwater tank. So the cool thing is, when it's going back into the freshwater tank, if you're dry camping and working off that freshwater tank, you're not burning any water. Now, some folks are going to use this because it is a great feature when they're hooked up at a campground and have full water hookup. The thing I want to remind you is that you're going to want to go outside and purge that freshwater tank prior to traveling down the road. The last thing you want to do is travel with a third of a tank of water and have that sloshing around and stuff. So that's one of the features they've built into the new Flagstaff travel trailers. We're going to see that on Flagstaffs and again Rockvilles. How about Rockwood? But yeah, we're going to see that. And again, that's what it'll look like whenever it starts. That's what it'll look like when it gets up to temperature. And they even put a convenient drink holder for our lovely Red Bull sponsorship potential. Yeah, I don't think we're getting sponsored yet. Guys, any other questions, comments, please throw them in the link down below, and we'll get them answered as quickly as possible. If you have a video idea or have a question that you can't figure out, put it in the comments. We can either address it in a comment or create a new video for you guys. All right, stay tuned. More to come. Make sure you like and subscribe.